guys, welcome back to another extreme cleaning video. Today's video is packed full of cleaning motivation, so don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about that. I post videos every Sunday and Wednesday, so don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any fun content. Now let's get to cleaning. I wanted to let you guys know that I have a huge $350 Target giveaway going on my Instagram account today. It is going to be going through Monday, so don't forget to head over and enter that giveaway. I mean, who does not want to go on a huge shopping spree at Target? I don't know who wouldn't. So go ahead and check that out. My handle is katie.satilli, and I'll leave my handle right here on the screen. This pillow right here drives me crazy. I cannot get it to fluff up to be the same as the other pillows. This was actually a hand-me-down couch, and so I don't know what happened to that cushion, but it is just not working with me, and I know that it bothers some people on here too. So you're not alone. It bugs me too, but I tried my best to push some of the stuffing into the corners, so hopefully that will be a little bit better. Let me know in the comments below where you guys have the most clutter building up in your house. For me, it is any counter space, especially this counter right here. For some reason, this is just where everybody throws their stuff, and I have to figure out where to put it. It drives me nuts. Do you guys have that in your house? Let me know in the comments where your clutter spot is. I'd love to know.
And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
So I'm going in with my Method Wood for Good spray right here, and I really like that scent. I think it's almond scented. I'm not sure if any of you have ever smelled it or if you like this spray as well. I get it from Grove Collaborative. I always make sure and have my link down in the description box. Most of their products are non-toxic, and so if you're into that kind of thing, this would be an awesome cleaning company that I think you would enjoy. So I'll make sure and have that linked below.
I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
Now this product that I'm using is definitely not toxic free. It is called Wayman's, and it's one of my favorite things. I just get it from either like Target or Walmart, and it is the best for stainless steel. I feel like I've used lots of different products on my stainless steel, and this one is definitely the best by far.
Just take a hand, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So now I'm going in with my e-cloths. This is my new favorite way to clean my windows. I am truly in love with these e-cloths for the windows. Oh my gosh, they make my windows so streak free, so clear, and I can't even say highly enough how much I love these things. And that is saying a lot, because I've always said here on my channel that Windex is my favorite cleaning product, and I just love how it makes everything so sparkly and shiny. But I will say that I have been grabbing these e-cloths over Windex lately, which is just nutso. So now I'm just moving into the bathroom, and I'm going to be tidying up from everything that I used to get ready that morning. And this is my favorite curling wand. It is just such a good one. I love to use wands. Let me know in the comments if you like to use wands or curling irons or straightening iron. I'd love to hear.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So the great debate is always cleaning gloves or no cleaning gloves. I don't usually use them, but I think because I was using Lysol wipes, I decided to pop them out. But let me know down in the comments, are you a cleaning gloves kind of person or are you a bare hands kind of person?
Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.
So we all know how much I love my Shark Rocket vacuum, but I'm really excited because I am going to be getting a new vacuum to try out. It's from LG and it will be cordless, so I cannot wait to test it out and see how it does with our floors. And I just love the idea of cordless. I mean, I'm obsessed with my vacuum. The only thing is I just don't love the cord, but everything else is great besides that. I always leave some cool videos here at the end linked for you, so don't forget to check those out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.